Everyone's craving cozy comfort food. But who has the time? Let's kick off our slow cooking week with an instant pot beef stew. This hearty dish is perfect for those busy nights. Start by sautéing 2 pounds of beef chuck roast in your instant pot. Going vegan, swap it with jackfruit. Once browned, set the meat aside. Next, toss in a chopped onion and minced garlic. Sauté until softened. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 2 teaspoons of thyme and a bay leaf. Then mix in 3 sliced carrots, 2 diced potatoes, 1 diced sweet potato and your meat or jackfruit. Pour in 4 cups of broth and a tablespoon of Henderson's relish. Pressure cook on high for 35 minutes or 15 if you're using jackfruit. Natural release for 10 minutes, then manually release. For slow cooker fans, just transfer everything after sautéing and cook on low for 8 hours or high for 4 hours. Season to taste, serve hot and enjoy a stress-free, delicious family meal. Day 1, done. Don't forget to comment below, it really helps. Now that you've mastered the instant pot beef stew, let's talk about perfect pairings to elevate your meal. A warm cup of mulled cider is an excellent choice, or a glass of red wine like Cabernet Sauvignon complements the hearty beef. Prefer a non-alcoholic option? Try iced herbal tea for a crisp contrast. Enjoy your meal with the perfect pairing. If you enjoyed this video, let us know by clicking the thumbs up button. If not, feel free to click the thumbs down. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more delicious recipes and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.